Welcome back. Today we are making a barbecue sauce. This is the East Carolina vinegar based sauce. It goes perfect with pulled pork. Recipes down in the description box for free. You can make it at home. And there's other miscellaneous cooking items down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's put this barbecue sauce together. Okay, we have a pint mason jar. This is a standard pint. We're going to put in this pint some distilled vinegar. The regular distilled vinegar works good. This is a cup and a half. I'm going to fill that up. All right. So now we're going to add some hot sauce. 1 teaspoon hot sauce. This is Texas Pete. You can use any type of hot sauce you like. You like Tabasco, you can use that. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is the white sugar. If you want to make it a little sweeter, you can use the brown or the light brown. We have 1 tablespoon of salt. Add that. We have 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper. Add that. And we have some ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of that. Now we're going to put our lid on. Make sure it has the seal. Make sure everything's clean here. And we're going to shake her up. All right, we shook it up pretty good. We're going to let this sit minimum 12 hours, if not a couple days, even a week. And let all those juices melt in there. And right before you use it, give it a good shake. Get those pepper flakes floating around. This is perfect for pulled pork. And yes, this is a barbecue sauce. This is vinegar-based barbecue. It's very thin. It's almost like salad dressing. Very good on pulled pork. Excellent on it. Okay, I'm not going to try it. I don't have any meat with me, but yeah, before you use it, give it a good shake. This is seal proof, it won't leak, and it's just about a whole jar's worth. So perfect recipe for it. Again, recipes down in the description box. Until next time, it's a classical gourmet wishing you happy cooking.